Good afternoon, class 6th. Today we will do our next exercise, that is 14.4. In this exercise today you will learn how to draw the spatial angles. How to draw the spatial angles. So first of all, what do you mean by the spatial angles? What do you mean by spatial angles? Spatial angles are the angles which are multiple of 15. Angles that are multiple of 15 degree are called or known as spatial angles. Like, for example, 30 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 45 degree, etc. These all are the example of spatial angles. These all are the example of spatial angles, right? Now, how you will draw this? So, today we will draw angle of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 120. I will tell you how to draw these angles. So firstly, we will start with angle of 60 degree. How to draw the angle of 60 degree. Look students, when you start drawing these, when you watch the video of angle, side by side you will take your notebook and whatever I am doing in this, either I am drawing a line or mark an arc, you will do together with me because it is easy to understand with this. In the angle process, if you forgot one step or you forgot one arc, then the complete angle will be the wrong. Complete angle क्या होगा? Wrong. Right? So now, first angle of 60 degree. What you have to do? Draw a line of any length and mark a point on that. E. Clear? Draw a line and mark a point on that point E. After that, with A as the center, open your compass of any length. So I will open it this much, right? Now, put on the A point and then draw an arc that intersect the line like this, right? After that, keeping the arm fixed, then you will give the name to it, B. Then keeping the arm of the compass fixed and steady. Steady means with a constant. Don't move it. With the same radius, this one, B as the center, draw an arc to intersect the previous one. Means, firstly, we will draw it like this, right? Then with center B, cut it like this one. Clear? No need to start from here. See, आप ऐसे करोगे तो ये पॉइंट को क्रॉस करेगा like this. Point A. Then label the point of intersection with two arc. This one C. Now join this point with the ruler A and C like this, and this angle ABC is the angle of 60 degree. Angle of 60 degree. Right? I hope you understand. And one more easy way for this is to draw a line like this of any put anywhere a point B, right? Then open it, 4 and 3, which length you want. No need to measure it, of any length. Put on it. Just a second. No need to move the compass, with a very free hand. Draw like this. Right? Now, don't move, don't make it like this. Change the position of the compass. Keep it same. Now, when you observe, the distance of this is equal to of this. Right? Now, put it here and mark an arc. This one first arc of 60 degree, second will be of 120, and the third one, this one will be of 180, right? So see, now join it with this. Join the compass and this point of intersection. This will be of 60 degree. When you join this, it will be complete one, 120 degree, and this complete one, this will be of 180 degree. Clear? With this one arc of same radius, firstly draw a line. Second, draw a semicircle. This one is a semicircle now. Draw a semicircle with any radius. Then the third will be keeping the arm of the compass fixed. Keeping the arms of the compass fixed with the same radius. Mark or draw an arc to intersect the circle. Fourth, draw one more arc with same with same radius on circle, right? And for 180 we will write the fifth one, draw one more arc with the same radius from the second arc, right? From the second arc. Clear? So now this one B I give, take it A, B and C and give this E. So ABC, angle ABC equals to 60 degree. Angle EBC is of 120 degree and angle DBC is of 180 degree. Clear? So by the one angle we drawn three angle, 60, 120 and 180. Clear beta? It is very easy. If you don't want to go with this type of, you can draw like this. Same arc se banega. Firstly you will draw. Let's see again, once again I will explain. It is very easy. Draw a line of any length. Mark a point where you want to mark it. Open it. Then draw a semicircle. Give a name to this point P. Then without moving the arms of the compass, with the same, put on that point of the line. Then mark an arc, right? Now give the name to this one, Q, C, S, whatever you want to give. Q. Now with the help of ruler join both the points. Q, take it S. Right? Now if you will measure it with the help of protractor, then you will see this one is of exactly 60 degree. This one is of exactly 60 degree. Clear this one? Now same you have to go with this. Clear? After this, how to construct the angle of 30 degree. How to construct an angle of 30 degree. 90, 60 and 120 we have done. Now we will draw how to construct of 30 degree. So for construction of 30 degree, angle of 30 degree, for this what you will do beta, firstly we will make one angle of 60 degree, right? Half of 60 equals to 30 degree. Half of 60 equals to 30 degree. Now how to draw the angle of 30 with angle of 60 degree? So firstly what we do, firstly we will draw angle of 60 degree. So same procedure, draw a line M, mark a point A, then same with the center A, open the compass, draw a semicircle with any radius, right? Clear? Now with the same radius mark an arc. Now we know half of 60 is 30 degrees. So what we have to do? One mark we have done on the semicircle, one you will draw here. And one arc from 60 degree angle. one arc from 60-degree angle. Put the needle. So I put the needle of compass here. Then mark an arc. Mark an arc like this. Like this you have to mark. One from this side and one from this side. Right? Now you will join it. If you want to give name to this, you can give B, C, D. Now join it. See बेटा आपको join करना है pencil से. Don't use pen. Even in the naming also you have to use pencil. Right? Because see if mistakes, because आँख की जो वो है बेटा, आँख लगाते वक्त आप mistakes करोगे. So for that you have to use pencil. And angles always made with the help of pencils. Now this is a 60 degree. Join it with this. Same. And it will be of 30 degree. This one 30 and this complete will be of 60 degree. Clear? So this is the way to draw the angle of 30 degree. Same you have to choose that with the help of, see how to construct now angle of 45 degree. For 45 degree, we know 45 is half of 90. Half of 90. But for that, firstly we have to draw the angle of 90 degree. And angle of 90 degree, how we will draw? Add 120 plus 60. 180. Half of 180, 90. इट मीन्स फर्स्टली आपको 120 और 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाना होगा. देन फ्रॉम दैट यू विल मेक ऑफ 90 डिग्री. You will make of 90 degree and after half of 90 is 45. Clear? So see how you will make it that in the same angle I will draw 60, first 45, 60, 120 and 90. 4 angles in one angle. See this one, draw a line of any length, right? I give that M. Open the compass of any radius. Now same procedure, draw a semicircle on that. Right? Now give a name to this. A name आप जहाँ पे needle of compass है only there. E. Mark an arc. Give this B and this C. Now without changing the distance or the radius between these, take it, put on the B and mark an arc like this. Then the second one, this one, and see the third one will be exact, right? 60, 120 and 90 degree. Now see, to show the difference I am drawing the line with the help of pen. Give it name P, Q and C is already here. Now join it. Now with the Q. Like this. Okay, now we know that half of 60 and 120 is 90. Without changing or without disturbing the arms of a compass, put it on the point P, mark an arc like this. Now put on the Q and mark an arc like this, right? And this point makes an angle of 90 degree. So see here, now join this. Clear? This one 60 degree, this one 120, and this one is of 90 degree, right? Now we have to make the angle of 45 degree, and we know 45 is half of 90 degree. So I will, without disturbing the arms, सेम से मैं एक आर्क I will mark from B and one arc I will mark from this point. From this point, यहाँ से, not from here, from here. See, little bit, then make it more. Like this. See, this is extra, you can erase it also. You will give this name as. Now join it, and this will be the, and this will be the what? T, angle of 45 degree. This T will be the angle of 45 degree. Clear, students? By this, PAB, that is of 60 degree, TAB 45 degree, angle RAB 90 degree, and QAB 120 degree. See, in one angle I draw 4 angles. In one, 4 angles are drawn. Clear? This is the way to draw the angles. Clear, beta? See, it is mentioned that only and only 60 and 120 degree angle we can construct with the help of compass and ruler, while other angles like 90 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree we have to construct by first constructing the angle with a ruler and compass, and after that we have to bisect that, right? That's why firstly I told you how to draw the bisector and what do you mean by that. After that I will draw an angle with the help of bisector. Clear, bachi? Now see, if you have to draw any angle like angle of 22 degree, 22.5 degree, how you will draw that? We know sum of any two angle divide by 2 is equals to this, because we know 60 and 20 are only angle which we can draw direct. Rest angle we have to draw with firstly making any two angles. So it means this formula we have to use. When I add it, this will be of 45 degree, right? 45 degree, and I know 45 degree is sum of, I can take 30, you can go with half of 90 degree is 45. Half of 90 is 45. It means half of 45 डिग्री का हाफ क्या होगा 22.5. So firstly I have to draw 90 degree, then 45 degree, and then 22.5. How to draw the angle of 22.5 degree? Let's see that. For this same procedure, 22.5 degree angle, सेम वे बेटा फर्स्टली हम ड्रॉ करेंगे 90 डिग्री. हाफ ऑफ 90 45, बिकॉज विदाउट 90 डिग्री यू कांट मेक एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री. ड्रॉ द लेंथ लाइक दिस, देन एंड you know 90 is half of or bisector of 60 and 120. So indirectly आपको हर एंगल के लिए firstly 60 और 90 you have to make. So width of any radius like this, then one arc from this, one from this, and bisector of both this 60 and 120 is 90 degree, right? Now join it. A, give any name BC. I only need required of 90 degree, so I will make it. Clear? Sorry, here it joins wrong. See, as I have not disturbed the compass, so easily I can draw with this. Now from C, now join it, right? Now from 90 I will draw the angle of 45 degree. This will be of 45. Now join it. See, आपको यहाँ जैसे ये है पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, प्रॉपरली यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. Like this from the middle. Now half of 45 is 22.5, so half means 0 to this. Now join this one, and this angle is of 22.5 degree. This one 22.5 degree. You have to firstly check that which two angles can help you to make the given angle. Clear बच्चे? So today your work is draw the angle of, in your notebook you will draw 22.5 degree, 30, 60 degree, 75 degree, 120. These angle you will draw. This is your homework. Draw these angles in your fair notebook. And 90 degree also. Clear? I hope it is clear to everyone how to draw these angles. And exercise 14.4 we will do in the next lecture. If anyone have any problem in making any angles, you can comment and you can ask.